nervous. Hello everyone, my name is Dasha and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a DIY video where I recreate my $8 short into a Balenciaga shirt, which Jennie from BLACKPINK wore in her Instagram. Actually, I was looking for my birthday gifts and just went to Balenciaga website for just have a look, you know. It was 1,000 euros. I was just shocked. Okay, so I thought that was not really hard to DIY. So here we are. I need my brush. Oh. Anyway, I hope that you will like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and to my Instagram. Okay, let's go to the video. For this tutorial, I bought a shirt in a supermarket for $8. I got it in a size M. My plan was to make two curly darts on the front of the shirt so that the lower edges diverged to the sides. To do this, we need to remove the side seams and then hem the bottom of the shirt. For this DIY, we need scissors, pocket scissors, ruler, colored threads, pencil, and pins. I also use a doll to stick pins and imagine it's a voodoo doll. Anyway, first of all you need to find the point where your dart starts and then draw the line obliquely. Then mark 4 cm and connect it to the center point, and repeat everything on the other side. I removed the side seams to a point 4 cm above the top line of the dart. Since I drew all the lines on the front of the shirt, I also transferred all the lines to the inside, so that it was easier for me to make a seam. I served the dart with the hand seam first to avoid unnecessary headache in the future and finished it with a machine stitch. The next step: outline the curly bottom, fold the fabric in half and cut the excess fabric, leaving 1 cm of extra seam allowance. Repeat the same from the back. Fold the bottom of the shirt 2 times and fasten it with the machine stitch. Ah! Please, I need music to not be so nervous. Yes! Yes! And of course, don't forget to fasten your seam on the side. Actually, you can stop at this point, but I decided to make finishing seams on the cuff, shoulder yoke, placket, front pocket and collar. I made these seams with contrasting threads because I like it better anyway, so yeah. Okay, so to fix the decorative seam, turn the shirt inside out and pull the thread from the right side by pulling the thread on the wrong side. Make the 3 knots, cut the ends of the threads and you're done! Woohoo! I personally really like how the shirt came out, so I made another one in white color, which I will customize in my next video. like this video, please give it a big thumbs up or something, and subscribe to my channel again and to my Instagram. All the links down in the description box. And yeah, bye everyone, see you next time.